Have you ever looked at a beautiful succulent and wished you could have a whole family of them? Well, good news, you absolutely can, and it's easier than you might think. Today, I'm going to show you the process of propagating succulents from just a single leaf. It's one of the most rewarding things you can do as a plant parent, and trust me, watching new life sprout is incredibly satisfying. So grab a healthy succulent and let's get started on this green adventure together. First things first, we need to choose the right leaf. You want to pick one that's plump, healthy, and full of life. Look for leaves on the lower part of a mature plant. Now, the trick to a successful propagation is how you remove the leaf. Don't just pull it straight off, you need to be gentle. Hold the leaf close to the stem and give it a slight twist, a little wiggle from side to side. You want a clean break, making sure you get the entire base of the leaf where it connects to the stem. This little spot is where all the magic is going to happen, where the new roots and baby plant will emerge. If part of the leaf tears or gets left behind on the stem, it probably won't grow. So, take your time with this step. A clean, complete leaf is your golden ticket. Once you have your perfect leaf, you might be tempted to pop it straight into some soil. But hold on, this next step is crucial and it's all about patience. We need to let the leaf callus over. This sounds technical, but all it means is you need to let the little wound at the base of the leaf dry out and heal. Just place your leaves on a paper towel or a dry tray, somewhere out of direct sunlight. This usually takes anywhere from 3 to 7 days. You'll know it's ready when the end looks dry and has formed a small, hardened scab. This callus is super important because it prevents the leaf from absorbing too much water and rotting when you place it on soil. It's like a protective shield for our future baby succulent. So let them rest and heal up. Alright, our leaves have calloused over and they're ready for the next stage. Now it's time to prepare their new home. You don't need anything fancy. A shallow tray or a pot with drainage holes will work perfectly. The key here is the soil. Succulents hate having wet feet, so you need a well-draining soil mix. You can buy a special cactus or succulent mix, or you can make your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand or perlite. Fill your tray with this dry soil. That's right, dry soil. We're not going to water them just yet. Gently lay your calloused leaves right on top of the soil. You don't need to bury them or stick them in, just let them rest comfortably on the surface. Make sure the calloused end isn't buried. And that's it for now. Find a bright spot for them, but again, avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the delicate leaves. Now comes the waiting game, which is both the hardest and the most exciting part. For the first couple of weeks, you don't need to do much at all. The leaf has all the water and nutrients it needs stored inside. After about a week or two, you can start misting the soil lightly every few days, just enough to keep it from getting bone dry. Be careful not to overwater. You want to encourage roots to search for moisture, not drown the leaf. Soon, you'll start to see the most amazing thing happen. Tiny, delicate pink or white roots will start to emerge from the calloused end of the leaf. It's a truly amazing moment. Shortly after the roots appear, you'll see a tiny rosette, a miniature version of the mother plant, starting to form. It's a baby succulent. As your new baby plant grows, the mother leaf will start to wither and dry up. This is completely normal. It's been giving all of its energy and water to the new plant. Don't be tempted to pull it off. Just let it shrivel and fall off on its own. Once the baby succulent is about the size of a dime and has a decent little root system, and the mother leaf has detached, it's ready to be planted in its own pot. You can gently scoop it up with its roots and place it in a small pot with fresh, well-draining soil. Give it a tiny bit of water and then treat it just like a mature succulent. Place it in a sunny spot and water it only when the soil is completely dry. And there you have it. From a single leaf, you've grown a brand new plant. It's an incredible process that shows just how resilient and amazing nature is. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching and happy planting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant adventures.